Hello! Welcome back, my friends, to our English course. Hope you are doing great. In today's session, we're going to learn about our house. We will learn together rooms in our house and things in each room. Also, how to describe your home and to answer and say questions related to your home. Let's get started. Part 1. Rooms in the house. The rooms in the house. Listen and repeat. House, house. Living room, living room. Bedroom, bedroom. Kitchen, kitchen. Bathroom, bathroom. Dining room, dining room. One more time. Repeat with me. House, living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, dining room. Excellent work. Part 2. Things in the home. In living room, we have sofa, sofa, TV, TV, or television, television. In bathroom, we have shower, shower, sink, sink. In bedroom, we have bed, bed, wardrobe, wardrobe, lamp, lamp. In kitchen, we have fridge, fridge, table, table, cooker, cooker. Great. Part 3. Useful sentences. Listen. This is my house. This is my house. My house is small. My house is small. My house is big. My house is big. I have 2 bedrooms. I have 2 bedrooms. There is a TV in the living room. There is a TV in the living room. There is a bed in the bedroom. There is a bed in the bedroom. There is a fridge in the kitchen. There is a fridge in the kitchen. Now, listen to them again and repeat with me. This is my house. My house is small. My house is big. I have 2 bedrooms. There is a TV in the living room. There is a bed in the bedroom. There is a fridge in the kitchen. Excellent! Part number 4. Questions and answers. Listen. Where do you sleep? Where do you sleep? I sleep in the bedroom. I sleep in the bedroom. Where do you cook? Where do you cook? I cook in the kitchen. I cook in the kitchen. Where do you watch TV? Where do you watch TV? I watch TV in the excellent living room. I watch TV in the living room. Let's practice together. I will ask and you will answer. Where do you sleep? Good. Where do you cook? Where do you watch TV? Excellent. Where do you live? Is your house big or small? How many bedrooms do you have? Good. Now, your homework to describe your home in the comments. Fantastic job today. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you in lesson 6. Goodbye!